Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oat bars. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a touch of vanilla extract for flavor. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a 9 by 13-inch baking dish with parchment paper. This ensures easy removal and cleanup. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your rolled oats, brown sugar, and salt. Stir these dry ingredients well to ensure they are evenly distributed. Next, pour in the melted butter and vanilla extract. Mix everything until the oats are fully coated and the mixture is crumbly. Then, transfer this delicious mixture into your prepared baking dish and press it down firmly and evenly. This creates a solid base for your oat bars. Once pressed, it's time to bake. Place your baking dish into the preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the center is set. Keep an eye on them to prevent overbaking. After baking, the most crucial step is patience. Let the oat bars cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. This allows them to firm up properly before you cut them into perfect squares or rectangles. Now for the fun part, customization. You can easily elevate your oat bars by adding chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or dried fruits to the mixture before baking. A drizzle of melted chocolate or a simple powdered sugar glaze after they've cooled also makes a fantastic addition. These bars are perfect for a quick breakfast or a satisfying snack. Remember to check the description below for a link to a great book about money, plus other deals you might enjoy. Enjoy your homemade oat bars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.